Hey there, today I'll tell you how to use RBC Avion points for travel. For this, first go to RBC Rewards Travel and sign in with your RBC online banking credentials. Then click Book Travel and select flights, hotels, car rentals, or vacation packages. Search for your destination and travel dates. Choose an option and pay with Avion points. Then confirm your booking and receive your travel confirmation. You can also book travel over the phone. Then call RBC Rewards Travel Center at 1-877-636-2870 to book it with an agent. Provide your RBC Avion card details and travel preferences. Use Avion points to cover the full or partial cost. You can also transfer points to airline partners. You can convert Avion points to airline miles with British Airways, Avios, WestJet Dollars, American Airlines Advantage. Log into RBC Rewards, go to Convert Points and follow the steps. You can also redeem points for any travel purchase. Book travel using your RBC Avion Visa. Log into RBC Online Banking or the RBC mobile app. Then select Payback with points to apply Avion points as a credit towards your travel purchase. And that's it. That's how you can use RBC Avion points for travel.